Assalamu alaikum. Now I am present my assignment case study 2, the mathematics solution drive and expression for flux linkage of one conductor in a group. Each conductor of bundled conductor line shown in the figure below is ACSR 127200. Simil Pheasant. Find the inductive reactance in ohms per kilometer and per mile per phase. For D equal to 40 centimeter, also find the per unit series reactance of the line of its length is 110 kilometer and the base is 100 MVA, 345 kilovolt. My volt is 4101. If I convert the value, I get the length of the line is 8 meter and 8 meter. Now we get the solution from the table of ACSR. ds equal to 0.0466 feet and we multiplied feet by 0.3048 to convert to meters. Here dbs equal to root over ds into 0.3048 into the distance d equal to 40 centimeter. We convert it meter, so the result is 0.42. Then we multiply this equation and we get the result of dbs equal to 0.075 meter. And now deq equal to root cube. Here the value is the multiplication of the length of the meter, 8 meter into 8 meter, and the addition of 8 meter 8 meter equal to 16 meter. Then we get the result deq equal to 10.08 meter. And here xl, the reactance equal to, we know that 2 pi fl. Here 2 pi into frequency equal to 60 Hz into L equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 into 10 cube ln DEQ value 10.08 divided by dVs value 0.075 and we get the result 0.369 ohm per kilometer per phase. Now we convert it the mile. We know mile equal to 1.609 kilometer. We multiply it with the 0.369 and we get 0.594 ohm per mile per phase. It's a answer. And the base z equal to, we know 345 kilovolt whole square divided by 100 meters. 100, where 100 is 100 MVA, 100 MVA divided by 100 MVA, and we get the base 1190.25 ohm. And x equal to 0.369. Here we get 0.369. xl value is 0.369 into the meter, the length 110 kilometer divided by the base value 1119.25 and we get the result 0.034 per unit. This is the answer. So we get the two results. One is inductive reactance in ohms per kilometer and per miles per phase, and another is find series reactance of the line. So we get both the result. If we again see that one result is 0.594 ohm per mile per phase and another is 0.034 per unit. That's all. Thank you everyone.